Boxycharm. This is Boxycharm unboxing, everybody. Stay right there. It's April's Boxycharm. Hey everybody, it's Makiage with Lola and I'm back with another video. Today this video is not a tutorial. It is going to be an unboxing of the one, the only, Boxycharm. Yay. For y'all who didn't know, who don't know, I have been a member of Boxycharm for the longest. I love Boxycharm. I think they are the greatest deal out there. I think they're the greatest subscription box out there. Should I go on or should I just go to the unboxing? From now on, every month when I get mine, I'm going to be unboxing them, showing you the goodies that I got. You know, trying to persuade y'all to maybe go over to Boxycharm and get you a little something too. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. Every month they have like a little theme of, you know, for the things that they send to you. It's like a little theme or whatever. So, and they give you coupons and stuff like that. Like, it's really dope. So, it looks like this month's theme is eye candy. Can you see that? Let me pull it back some. Yeah. Eye candy. Yay. Okay. This one's theme is eye candy. So, let's see what's in the box. Oh, no, they didn't. Okay. Oh, let's take a moment. Let's take a moment. Oh my God, I got tears. All right, let me show y'all. Okay, the first thing they gave us, it looks like Luxy teamed up with Boxycharm and made some brushes. Or are these Boxycharm brushes? Let me see a second, because they gave the description of everything that they give you. So let me look on the description. Okay. Oh, okay. These brushes are, you get a brush duo from Miss Glam. And this is a blending brush. And it looks like a shadow brush. A blending brush and a shadow brush, and it's pink and purple. And they got little rhinestones on it. Look at that. That is so cute. I'm telling you, like, this box is popping, y'all. Wait till the other stuff I show you. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, next they got Brow Gal tinted brow gel. Okay. Brow Gal tinted brow gel. Okay, now this isn't my color, but I like Brow Gal, and I could probably use this on one of my clients. So everything is good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, we got Dr. Branded Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Okay, now y'all know, y'all may think it's a little tube, but y'all know tubes like this be costing like $48. Maybe, okay, maybe not 48, maybe like $32. So yes, Pores No More. This is Dr. Brandt. Okay, and Dr. Brandt has some very good skincare. He has a very good skincare line, if you do not know about Dr. Brandt. So this is just added to the collection because I have a whole bunch of it in my closet. Okay, next, y'all, and I'm surprised at this, they got a MAC lipstick up in here. Boy, I'm telling you, they got MAC. I didn't even know Boxycharm was teaming up with MAC like that. Did y'all? I didn't know. But they got a MAC lipstick in here. Okay, y'all, I gotta see what color is this. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all the color. Let me try and open it real quick. Okay, this is Burnt Violet. Okay, let me open it. Oh no. Look at that color. That's gonna look, I can tell this is gonna look the bomb on my skin. Can you tell? I could tell. Look at that. Burnt violet. Boxycharm, I'm telling you, Boxycharm never does me wrong. Never. I'm never dissatisfied with the things that they send. Alright, so that's the fourth thing. And I saved the biggest one for last, okay? So we got Miss Glam brushes, duo brushes. We got Brow Gal tinted brow gel. We got Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner mask. And we got MAC lipstick in the color Burnt Violet, which is the bomb. Okay, so the biggest thing, save for last, okay? The last thing in the box is, ooh, can y'all see that? That says ColourPop Element of Surprise. Now, you know this is going to be a bomb eyeshadow palette, or maybe even a highlighter palette, maybe even a blush palette. But it's going to be bomb because it's ColourPop, okay? So, let's open it and see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at these colors. It's an eyeshadow palette like I knew. Look at them colors. Look at that. Look at that. This one right here. This. Ooh, look at that, y'all. I can't wait to do some stuff with that. Look at these colors. Okay, one more. Alright, you see those? I cannot wait to do some looks with this, okay? Boxycharm never disappoints. Seriously, okay? I have been with Boxycharm for over a year, and every single month has been bomb. Every single month, okay? Every single month you get 5 products for the price of $21. Now, this is the thing. Each product that you get, 9 times out of 10, costs over $21 itself, okay? And they show the prices on here so that you know that, they're the real deal, okay? So, okay, the MAC lipstick is $21. That's the price of the whole box itself, okay? Next thing, the ColourPop eyeshadow palette, $16. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, $47. Now, didn't I say it was like $48? I'm $1 off. $47. This is why you have to get Boxycharm. I'm telling you. Okay, the Brow Gal tinted eyebrow gel. I can talk, y'all. I'm just a little excited. Okay, the eyebrow gel, $22. And the Miss Glam brush duo, $38.50. Okay, so almost everything in this box is over $21. You get 5 full size or deluxe size products for $21. You can't beat that. Like, if you're a makeup addict like me, you love you some makeup, you love hair, you love nails, whatever, you need to be hooked up with Boxycharm. Get yourself a Boxycharm subscription, because I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Not. And if you are, leave a comment below this video telling me, because I don't believe that there's anybody out there that's disappointed with Boxycharm. Okay, I don't believe it. So if you out there, I guess you can leave a little comment under below. Let me know why you don't like Boxycharm. Excuse that noise. Leave a comment down below saying why you don't like Boxycharm. But like I said, I don't believe that anyone will say that they don't like it. I really don't believe that. So, like I said, 5 products for $21, and guarantee you that all 5 of them products cost over $21. Okay, you can't beat it. You got the other subscriptions, like where they give you the samples and stuff like that. And I tried those, but the samples be so little, and I'll get things that I like and they'll be gone like that. Or I'll get things that I really don't like and don't need at all. This is why you need Boxycharm, because they give you full size products. Sometimes they give you deluxe size products, okay? So you get 5 of these full size, maybe deluxe size products just for $21. You really can't beat that at all. At all, okay? So, like I said, if you don't have Boxycharm, you need to get it because you're missing out, okay? And you could just tell everyone that my Miss Maquillage with Lola told you need to get yourself a Boxycharm, okay? So, with that being said, like I said, I'm just going to show y'all my Boxycharms every month, okay? I'm just going to do that until you decide that you're going to get some Boxycharm. How you like that? Alright, whatever. So, anyway, I'm going to show you my Boxycharms every month. Every month we're going to have an unboxing of Boxycharm. Because I can't stop bragging about Boxycharm. I just can't, you know. So, anyway. So, with that being said, it's Miss Maquillage with Lola. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you leave a comment below, I respond to my comments. I look at all my comments, and I appreciate all of my comments and subscribers. I love you all. Don't even think that I'm not looking at your stuff, because I am. Okay, so, and of course, we want you to subscribe so you can be part of this crazy maquillage family. You know, I'm a little cuckoo. You know, sometimes I can't talk right. You know, sometimes I get a little overexcited, you know. But just be part of my family. You'll get used to it. I promise. Alright, so leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out with anything. And always, you also can turn on your notifications. So every time I post another video, you will be the first to know. How about that? Okay? So, if there is something that you want me to do in the future, a video that you would like me to do, a tutorial that you would like me to do, I'm already planning on doing a tutorial on this look right here, because I just love it. I love how it's popping in the light and everything. It's just, everything just came together. So I already made it up in my mind. Okay, I'm going to do a tutorial on this look. Okay, so that will be coming next, all right? So, with that being said, again, this is Maquillage with Lola, and I'm out. Peace, and don't forget to turn up the glam. Bye.